ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स उन एक्शन वर्ड्स को कहते हैं जो एक ऑब्जेक्ट को कैरी करते हैं, यानी उनके फौरन बाद एक ऑब्जेक्ट आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे फ्लाई अ काइट. दे फ्लाई व्हाट? दे फ्लाई अ काइट. दे हेल्प्ड मी. दे हेल्प्ड whom? Me. She played football. She played what? Football. So here kite, me and football are the objects. That's why fly, helped and played will be transitive verbs here. On the other hand, intransitive verbs वो verbs होती हैं जिनके फौरन बाद कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं आता. They don't carry object और उनके फौरन बाद ज़्यादातर prepositions आती हैं. For example, birds fly in the sky. Fly के बाद in आ रहा है और fly के बाद कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, तो fly will be intransitive. She went to Shimla. Went will be intransitive because went के बाद कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, preposition to आ रहा है. Similarly, they laughed at him. Again, laughed will be intransitive because laughed के बाद कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, at आ रहा है. Now let's practice. She was crying all day long. Crying के बाद आप देख सकते हो कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है, right? तो that's why crying will be intransitive. We showed her. Showed के फौरन बाद हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, it will be transitive. The doctor advised me. Advised whom? Me is the object here. Advised will be transitive. It was raining at that time. You can see raining के बाद preposition at आ रहा है, कोई object नहीं है. That's why raining will be intransitive. She laughed at. इसका example मैं पीछे भी दे चुकी हूँ. Laughed will be intransitive. Gave a cookie. Gave what? Cookie. Cookie is an object here. Gave will be transitive. They slept in the street. In is a preposition. There is no object. Slept will be intransitive. I ate the cherries. I ate what? Cherries are the object. That will be transitive verb. Ate will be transitive. My father doesn't drink what? Coffee. Coffee is an object. Drink will be transitive. He always keeps his money in a wallet. Always keeps. Keeps what? His money. His money is an object here. That's why keeps will be transitive. For more grammar topics with lucid explanation, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.